Hello, I'm Erik Wilgaard of restaurant Jordnaer in Copenhagen. I'm gonna plate for you a very simple dish, but in this kitchen quality is what we work with. So we have Beluga Sevruga caviar from Noble Russian in Bulgaria, and then we have made a sauce from Emperor's miso with creme fraiche, which is double fermented, split with blackcurrant wood oil. So it's actually, we take a decent amount of caviar and put it in a plate and cover it with the sauce. So like this, just make sure it's evenly divided in here. And then less is more in this case. So this is less is more. The best caviar in the world with the best miso and blackcurrant wood oil. Simple but tasty.